staying out here in the wonders of the unknown academy, I sort of realized there's a fundamental truth to our nature man must explore. And it's an exploration that is creative.
In the summer of 1971, a new chapter begins on the moon, not just to reach it, but to explore it. Following the first landing of Apollo 11 when Neil Armstrong stepped onto the lunar surface, the objective now extends beyond arrival. To stay longer, to move further, and to understand what lies beneath the surface. If Apollo 11 was the first step, Apollo 15 becomes the exploration. The moon turns into a field of study, near a vast rift valley and surrounding highlands. It moves across the surface, gathers deeper traces, and leaves instruments to listen to the slow signals beneath the dust.
Ignition sequence start. Engines on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All engines running. Launch commit. Liftoff. We have liftoff at 9:34 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The tower is clear.
And we have a roll program. Roger.
5 F-1 engines ignite beneath the Saturn V, releasing a controlled storm of thrust. The ground falls away as Earth's pull is gradually overcome.
32 seconds into the flight. The 3 liquid fuel main engines soon will throttle back to 72% of rated performance down in the bucket, reducing the stress on the shuttle as it goes transonic.
The surface recedes into a single curved horizon. Velocity now exceeds orbital thresholds, and the spacecraft transitions from a closed system bound to Earth into a trajectory governed by gravitational balance between bodies. Everything familiar remains behind as navigation shifts from atmospheric flight to precise inertial guidance in vacuum. Reaching low Earth orbit, a precise burn known as trans-lunar injection accelerates the spacecraft to escape velocity. The trajectory becomes an elliptical transfer toward the moon. Between worlds, movement becomes abstract. Only motion and time remain. Pilots the lunar module. and Alfred Worden remains in lunar orbit as command module pilot. All are U.S. Air Force test pilots with engineering backgrounds, selected for long-duration operations and scientific fieldwork on the lunar surface. After roughly 3 days of transit, the moon fills the frame. The surface reveals detail and scale, a landscape shaped over immense spans of time. Descent begins as the lunar module separates and lowers toward the surface. Contact is established on uneven terrain. Engines cut and the mission shifts to surface operations. A rover extends their reach across the dust. They cross the silent terrain, extending their reach while leaving instruments to record what cannot be seen. These measurements reveal the internal structure of another world, extending knowledge beyond Earth. They mark a step in understanding how planets form and evolve across time, placing this journey within a broader search for origins and meaning. The mission establishes methods for sustained exploration, combining mobility and long-term instrumentation, shaping how future expeditions will approach other worlds. The engine ignites beneath the module, lifting it from the surface toward lunar orbit where it reconnects with the command module, and the path bends once more. The return unfolds over several days, with small corrections maintaining alignment toward Earth as distance steadily closes. Inside the capsule, systems remain stable while the outside view shifts slowly, the moon fading and Earth growing from a point of light into a defined horizon. This mission stands as the boldest of its time, extending human presence from a single step to sustained exploration. It proves that distance can be crossed and understood, setting the foundation for the missions that will follow beyond the moon.